And taking a look at our full forecast here for Monday, right now just after 5:45, a couple of clouds in the sky here on our rooftop camera. We have actually a slightly below average day here for this first official Monday of August. Partly cloudy skies will hang on into the afternoon. We're in the mid 80s by lunchtime and low 90s here into the afternoon. We have a weak system that is pushing in a couple of clouds here in the Central Valley. It's also bringing our temperatures slightly below average, just like you saw here. Here's a look at that trough. It's just passing through the Pacific Northwest for today. It's trying to block that really strong high pressure you can see that's settled over the desert Southwest. So we're kind of situated right in between those two systems, meaning that winds are set to increase over in eastern Kern County. We felt those gusty winds through the weekend. Those will hang on for today. And in the extended forecast, high pressure really takes a hold of the weather pattern for a majority of the West Coast, and we are set to see more traditional summer temperatures really building over the next several days. So for today, high temperature of 93 degrees in Bakersfield, so not cool by any means, but a good 5 degrees below average for this time of year. 70s and 80s through the mountains, and 80s and 90s over in the KRV, and 90s and a couple of triple-digit readings hang on over in the desert. They are traditionally our hottest spots, and that is true into the afternoon. They're also the windiest spots that we'll feel into the afternoon as well. Strong winds already observed near Jawbone and Mojave this morning, and breezy conditions will hang on as you head east to the mountain and desert towns. We have no active wind alerts as of right now, but strong winds near Jawbone and Mojave up to 45-mile-per-hour gusts are possible. And as you can see in the KRV and through the mountains, gusty winds are likely to hang on into the evening as well. Again, just as some cooler air is working itself out up north, our winds are set to increase for today, and temperatures increase in the extended forecast. You can see by Wednesday we get very close to 100 degrees and likely stay at or above 100 into the weekend. We could very well see the return of another heat wave here in Bakersfield. Again, a heat wave is 3 consecutive days at or above 100 degrees. And if all these temperatures verify, that is exactly what we're expecting here in the valley by the end of the forecast. And that heat comes into play for all of our neighborhoods. KRV warming to triple digits likely by Friday, into the 90s for our mountain neighborhoods, and quite a few triple-digit days on the way for the desert.